In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota 4Runner key fob and change the internal battery at home. This process is incredibly easy. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2025 batteries. Now, if you'd like to get one of these batteries online, I will leave a link down in the description to get this exact battery that you need for this device on Amazon at the lowest price available. So go ahead and check that out, and then let's just hop right into it. The first thing you want to do is look to the top of the device. You can see there is a little slot or indentation in the plastic. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, could also use a coin, and what we want to do is insert into that area and then just twist the screwdriver, and this thing will crack apart, and you can just go ahead and set that back piece of plastic to the side. I'm going to flip this thing over so the bottom is pointing up because I want to go with my tool right in that little area here. I'm going to use the corner of this flathead screwdriver to just gently pry the battery out. So you can kind of pull down on the battery to get it moving in the right direction. And then what I'd like to do is just get under the battery, push it down, and kind of just pry it out. And as you saw there, it just popped right out. Not too difficult. I will show you that one more time. So now it's nice and clicked into place. I'm actually gonna hold it down, kind of pulling it down so it can get past this little lip on the top there. So I'm just gonna pull it down, use the corner of my flathead screwdriver just to get under it and lift it up. And of course, if you have a smaller screwdriver, if you have like a little precision screwdriver or something smaller than what I have, it's just going to be easier. But just even with whatever you have lying around, you can get this battery out pretty easily. So go ahead and take a brand new battery. Again, this is a CR2025. And if you don't know where to get one of those, check the link in the description. And when you're putting your battery back in there, make sure this positive side that has that text goes face up, and you're just going to slide it down under these little pieces of plastic here first, and then kind of click in the top. And it will sit in there very nicely, and you can just finish up by clicking the back plastic back on, and then you can test that the device is working by just clicking. And if that light comes on, that means your battery is in the right position, it's got some juice in it, and you are all set. So I hope that helped you out. If it did, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery on any of your key fobs for any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.